is Danielle Siemens, and I am the Collections Manager and Curatorial Associate at the Art Gallery of Alberta. Today, we are celebrating Earth Day by looking at one work from our collection by the Edmonton-based artist Lyndal Osborne. Lyndal Osborne has long been interested in issues related to the environment, and we believe this work, titled Archipelago, is particularly well suited to this year's Earth Day theme, which is Together We Can Restore Our Earth. In this incredible installation, Osborne is specifically commenting on issues of genetic modification and the powers of the global biotechnology industry. So she is interested in how genetic modification and engineering are shrinking the Earth's biodiversity, and is concerned that we as consumers are not well informed about GMO foods, about seed patenting, about the chemicals in our agriculture, and the long-term effects of that on the environment and our bodies. In this installation, Lyndal Osborne is getting down to the molecular level where the manipulation of plant life takes place. She's created cells at gigantic proportions, 16 of them in total throughout the installation. And she's made them out of materials that she's gathered from nature, such as sunflower stalks or grapefruit skins, that she has manipulated and organized to allude to the structures of a cell. And then over top of these cells, she's used wire and colored glass beads to represent the structures of DNA. And then floating on top are these other objects that represent the pathogens that contaminate or are injected into the cell. She's also used materials from the realm of science, such as Bunsen burners or other glassware from laboratories. And this is a nod to the manipulation of plants that takes place within the lab. Running throughout the entire installation is this river-like form, which Osborne has constructed from these tiny little gardens. So it gives the sense of a kind of never-ending river running throughout the countryside. Specifically, this is a representation or a reference to the North Saskatchewan River in Edmonton, which runs throughout the entire city and at one point comes very near the artist's own home. And it's a kind of reminder to the viewer to not pollute our waterways, the life source that fuels us humans and the plants and animals around us. Those miniature garden forms also reference the biodiversity that we are at risk of losing or are already in process of losing through humans' technological interference. So Lyndal Osborne is an artist who has long been interested in issues of the environment and climate change, and she understands that it will take a radical shift in human behavior to alter the course of events. Her work has the remarkable ability to incite viewers to think carefully about their own environment and their place within it. And she asks us to treat the world with respect and care to ensure the well-being of our future generations. So thank you for joining us for this Earth Day feature. If you're interested in seeing more works from around the world that deal with similar issues related to the environment and climate change, you can check out earthday.org.